Hey everybody, today what we're going to do, we're going to take a look at this Smith machine. So now I just put the Smith machine on the wall today. I used it a little bit today. I really enjoy what I have here. So something better than having to go to a gym, getting a gym membership, having your own gym at home. Okay. So the installation probably took me an hour to do, finding the studs, kind of tapping into those studs. Everything was pretty easy. I was very, very impressed with the quality of the manufacturing. Okay, everything in here is nice, heavy duty. Go get. Go over there and fight. All right, so we'll take a look at the features that this has got. I've got everything mounted to the wall here. We've got right here. All right, when we are looking to use the squat bar, there are some things that you have to do to use it, some kind of safety features. So on each side over here, there is a pin, okay? So that pin is a safety pin. What you're gonna do is you're gonna pull. You do the same thing on the other side. You're going to pull them out. You're going to go to wherever you want with that squat bar. So I'm going to come all the way up here. I'm going to set that. I'm then going to connect this one in. I'm going to push this one in. Now, this is latched in nicely. Okay? So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to undo what I just did. I'm going to pull that out. I'm going to pull that out. I'm going to go down. I'm going to go to about where I want to squat from. That's a little bit too low. I'll click this one in. I'll click that in. Now, this is locked in. So when I go to do my squats, okay, now I'm just go down here. Everything is locked. Okay? So that's a nice safety feature to have, okay, so that I can't drop this on myself. All right, so to continue on with the safety features, so we're going to pull this out. We're going to pull this one out. We're going to go down a little bit with it. Connect that in. I'm going to come up. So if I'm going to do kind of one-arm pulls, and if I drop it, it's going to stop right there. Okay, it's not going to drop all the way down. So when I'm doing this, it's going to stop here, and it won't drop all the way down. Okay, so that is a very nice safety feature of this. So we got the squat rack. Make sure that both of them are going to be the same. Don't try to mismatch. Okay, so that's the squat rack. That's very, very easy. Now we can go with right here. So depending on what you want to do, okay, so you want to get your little bit of triceps in. Okay, there we go. Squat rack out of the way. Get a little bit higher reach if we wish. Okay, the farther out you get, the more resistance you're going to get to. Okay, so that's very nice. You got to do some curls. Okay, take a step back, get more on that band. So like I said, the farther you get away from it, the more that band's going to stretch, the more resistance it's going to have, the more weight you are going to feel. All right, so a couple other things here. When we are all done, you're going to click in. We're going to loosen this, and it's just going to fall off. This opens up. I can do the same thing on the other side. Click that in. I'm going to loosen that little screw up, take it out. Now, my bar will come out. Okay, so we're gonna stow this away now. We'll come back to that in a little bit. We're gonna close everything up here. We're done for the day. I'm gonna turn. And when I installed, I had this pushed in. Gotta move all these out of the way. And that will click right in. Last part to the whole thing, closing it up, is that I take my spot rack, and I'm done. There we go. Looks very, very professional. I'm very, very happy with this. Yeah, very, very nice. I don't have to go to a gym. I can do it right here in the garage. Okay, I can crank the tunes. I don't have to be by myself. Thanks, everybody.